It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today, we're going to learn how to align an object's pivot point with the center of its geometry in Unity. For this demonstration, I will be using Unity version 2022. I'll also use the 3D modeling tool Blender to set up some of the meshes we'll use for testing. Links to this software should be available in the video description. First, I will open Blender and delete everything. Then I will add a cube and select it, and with the G key, I will move it away from its center, but still overlap with the 3D cursor symbol. Then I will right-click and under Set Origin, choose Origin to 3D Cursor. The origin is the starting point 0, 0, 0, which all other parts of the mesh exist in relation. So if we try to rotate this with R or resize it with S, we'll see that the adjustments are made around the origin, not the center of the mesh. Let's export this as an OBJ file. And we will move to Unity. I will create a new project. I'll use this 3D template. Let's open a file explorer to where we exported our object, and let's drag it into our Unity's project folder, and then drag it into the scene hierarchy. If we click on the object, we will see its transform is 0, 0, 0. This is the transform of the origin or pivot point of the object. So if we add a cube from Unity and scale it up, we will see that the center of the scene does not match the center of the object. If you want to move the object in Unity in relation to its center instead of its pivot point, you have a couple of options. You could open it again in a tool like Blender, adjust its origin, and then export it again, or in Unity, you could add a new game object. And set the mesh as a child. Then in the project window, we can open the prefab with the arrow and select the mesh file. And in the inspector, we will see the bounds center quality. This is the offset of the object from its origin. We can take a note of these values and apply the opposite to our object's transform. And now if we want to move the center of the object to be 1 degree to the right of the world's origin, we can just adjust the parent's transform. We can even drag in the original object again to better see the changes we have made. Now, if we scale or rotate the parent, the object will scale and rotate about its center instead of its origin. Look at that! Together, we have aligned a pivot point with the center of an object in Unity. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.